All right, so we're gonna be going through the strict knees to chest and then the strict toes to bar as both a strength movement and also an habilitation movement to get the lats activated and the hip flexion of the body. So we're gonna start with hanging from the bar. And essentially, what we're thinking about doing is really activating those lats and keeping the scaps pulled back in their sockets. And we're going to be bringing our knees to either our chest or our elbows, depending on how strong we are, and closing that gap between our lats and our hips, so hip flexion. So activating the lats, bringing those knees up to the elbows if we can, or chest as high as we can. So let's just go for like what a beginner could do, potentially just raising the knees, using these hip flexors, getting a bit of ab work at the same time as closing the gap of the lats. If you're strong enough, you're gonna try and pull that bar down, changing that angle, and then bringing the knees up as high as you can. So you're really gonna feel this through your lats, really gonna feel this through your abs and hip flexors as well. So from there, we're gonna look into more of a strict toes to bar, so trying to get your toes to the bar, but we're gonna go through a few progressions to start with and why we'll do them. So let's start from hanging from the bar. What we're gonna do is keep our legs nice and straight. We're just gonna bring our feet up in line with this. And you can see that if he brings them up and tries to hold them, it's actually gonna be quite hard to hold them there because now we're getting a lot of rec fem involved as well, which is gonna be great for hip stability. So it's quite hard to do. If that's quite easy, now we're gonna try and jump up and get our toes all the way to the bar, and you're gonna see the angle of the chest change as well. So from there, we have to really drive the bar down, creating a different torso angle, and it's gonna be a lot harder to pull those feet towards the bar with the straight leg.